Nature's love, nature's love, nature's love. Oh my goodness. What are we doing back here on the Nature's Love Land? Well, currently, we are outside in nature, in love. Just love you. We are out here in love because we absolutely love nature. Hence, nature's love. Okay? But today, we wanted to pause for a second. Yes, this is a paintbrush. Got a little Bob Ross going on out here today. We like to dust off any of the debris. We were out cutting the grass the other day, and some debris got onto the leaves, and these babies are spoiled. Yes, they are in containers, just spoiled. So we like to brush that debris off, make sure that the leaves are clear for growth, for healthy transitions and transformations, so that they can absorb all of this magic from the sun, and nothing is blocking or stopping or hindering that photosynthesis for them. So today we want to talk to you a little bit about this plant. So I'm going to raise her up, and these are my ladies, okay? These are just hello beautiful ladies, all right? This is a variety of basil. It's known as sweet basil. Side note, if you see the smoke in the background, there is some cleansing resin burning now, a little bit of sandalwood, myrrh, and some frankincense. We like to cleanse the energy of the plants, just cleanse the energy of the atmosphere around their growth, making certain that all of the vibrations around them are their highest. So here she is, okay? And we want to talk to you a little bit about what you can do with sweet basil. We grow plants like this, the sweet basil, the Abomascus esculentus. There's a ginger there, there's an onion there. You can't really see them now, but we use them for body healing or body application, not food. So sweet basil, if you didn't already know, or maybe you knew and just you can add some more to your current knowledge about this plant, but it's really excellent for your hair. No matter what hair type you have, no matter where you are from in the world, sweet basil can be a friend to you. Even if you don't have hair on your head, it's really doing the work inside of your apocrine glands on your scalp. But if you do have hair on your head, we're going to talk about that now as well. So how can you use sweet basil on your hair and on your body? So you want to take a few of the leaves of sweet basil. Maybe just cut off some of the tops. Just cut off maybe like a little handful of the tops. And you will boil that in approximately 1 quart of water. And you want to boil it until the water turns a deep, dark brown. Once it turns this deep, dark brown, you turn the water off, allow it to cool overnight. And then when you come back in the morning, you will remove the leaves, okay, and strain out that water or that juice. Now, if you are washing your hair, or if you're just only using a fruit rinse on your hair, allow the basil water to be the final thing that you put on your hair. If you apply a lot of products such as lotions, creams, grease, gel, wax, or if you use chemicals in your hair, shampoo and conditioner do contain chemicals. Basil is a great friend for you to help cleanse those hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Also, it goes deep into that scalp and help remove that buildup in those apocrine glands that would cause that aroma coming from your scalp. So if you do a lot of sweating, if you work out a lot, if you work outside, you do a lot of heavy motion, and there's activity in your scalp, basil water is really great for that. The second thing that you can do with basil water is allow it to be the final rinse from your shower or if you're bathing. So you know that if you are sitting in a tub, as you wash off all of the debris and the dead skin cells, everything is still sitting around you while you're in that tub. So when you stand, instead of just stepping out of the tub and not rinsing off that thin layer of film, allow the basil water to be your final rinse. So you'll have a picture of it and you can just pour it over your body as you're washing off that thin layer of residue. Same thing with the shower. If you're using any type of soap or chemicals in the shower and it's not natural soaps, even soaps that you would find at a health food store. A lot of times soaps contain chemicals. They may contain lye or some type of product to make it bubble. Once you finish with your shower, allow the basil water to be your final rinse. Again, you're just washing off that final layer of residue because when you scrub your epidermis, which is this top layer of skin, and when you scrub it, you wake it up, okay? You agitate it. And more than that top layer is coming off, you start going deep down into those pores, raising out any type of sebaceous goo, yes, that may be hiding under your skin. And so basil water is just a really great exfoliant for you. It promotes elasticity with your skin, and it smells really good. Now, here's something great that you can know that will help you this summer. So if you take a look at this basil, you will see it's really plush and green. It doesn't have all of those little bite holes in it from different bugs and rodents and pests outside. Because there is a pheromone coming from basil that many bugs do not like, especially mosquitoes. So if this is your final body rinse and this is your final hair rinse, you just put on an extra layer of protection for you to sit outside on your back porch and enjoy that beautiful sunset or look at the clouds or enjoy your lemonade or whatever that is you are doing. And the mosquitoes, yes, are not looking at you with a knife and a fork and a salt and pepper shaker because you would be lunch with your little delicious skin, okay? You can also put that basil water inside of a just spray bottle, okay? Visit the dollar store, get just a little $1 spray bottle and put that basil water in there. And if you are going to be working outside in the garden, you'll be out there cutting grass, trimming trees, pruning, weed eating, whatever it is, spray that on your skin. Yes, yes, and more yes. Enjoy your summer in peace. So we just wanted to share this little garden wisdom with you. Basil is more than a topping on food. You can really use it as body care, hair care. It can also be used internally as well, like an internal shower, internally clean out your organs if you are doing a juice fast or some sort of juice cleanse with your body. Basil, basil, basil. All right? So until we meet again. Oh, okay. You wanted to get in it too. Wait a minute. She said, look at her too. Okay. This is Ebelmascus escalentus, and she's doing well. Look at those strong stalks and bark. Okay, they see you. Love you. All right. So always remember that nature loves you. All right. We come from nature. So why in the world would there not be something in nature for our care, repair, maintenance, upkeep, and even upgrade? So nature loves you, but guess what? So do I. So until we meet again, may your journey be well, may your health be well. And we are calling forth from the universe for you the abundance that you so eagerly desire. Letinachin, Nakami, Namaste, Chokure, Seheki, and Ashe. Journey on, travelers. Journey on. Nature.